Coyote Grills offers some of the best premium grills on the market that are also surprisingly affordable. Coyote outdoor grills come in many designs to perfect your outdoor kitchen. They come with a slew of features including top-to-bottom stainless steel construction, double-walled hoods, reinforced bodies with a continuous hand weld, and a boatload of extra features. There are many products available to choose Coyote Grill, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Coyote Grill from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Coyote S-Series 36-inch 4-burner. The Coyote S-Series 36-inch 4-burner built-in natural gas grill earns the Best Overall Choice Award for its premium stainless steel construction and performance-enhancing extras. Like all Coyote natural gas grills, this one is built with the power and sleekness of a luxury grill, but with increased durability and function. Crack the 18-gauge 304-grade stainless steel lid, and you'll find an 875 square-inch cooking surface and a removable warming rack. Beneath the cooking grates lie performance-enhancing ceramic briquettes that minimize flare-ups and promote even heat distribution across the cooking space. It includes heat control grids that help minimize flare-ups and distribute heat evenly across the grilling surface. Coyote grills are built with care and attention, so the canopy is double-walled and hand-welded to give the grill box a seamless edge. Number 2. Coyote Outdoor Living S-Series. If you're looking for a massive cooking surface, roaring BTU power, and want to expand your cooking range, you'll like the Coyote S-Series 42-inch 4-burner built-in natural gas grill. In terms of quality, you can't do much better. This natural gas grill features top-to-bottom stainless steel construction. That includes the body, hood, and everything in between. I like that the body is double-walled for increased durability and heat retention. Beneath the grates, you'll find Coyote Grill's signature ceramic briquette system, which minimizes flare-ups and maximizes heat distribution. This built-in grill is powered by 4 stainless steel infinity burners. Plus, you get an additional 15,000 BTU rear infrared burner, which allows you to make delicious low-roasted food. Number 3. Coyote C-Series 28-in Natural Gas Grill. If you have limited space and are shopping for a premium built-in gas grill with a consumer-friendly price tag, you'll like the Coyote C-Series 28-inch 2-burner built-in natural gas grill. In total, you get 497 square inches of cooking space and a detachable warming rack. While this unit may not have all the bells and whistles of other Coyote gas grill models, it is surprisingly powerful and spacious. Plus, it is compact, so it easily integrates into even the smallest BBQ stations. Crack the hood, and you'll find 2 cast stainless steel infinity burners that deliver up to 40,000 BTUs of cooking power. To light, simply push and turn the one-touch ignition system, which provides a safe, reliable start every time. For a compact built-in gas grill, there's a lot to admire here. This 28-inch gas grill is made from 18-gauge 304 stainless steel. It also comes with a double-walled canopy for increased durability and heat retention. Number 4. Coyote 36-inch built-in pellet grill. If you're not familiar with pellet grills, they essentially provide the convenience of a traditional gas grill with the added smoky flavor of an authentic wood-fired grill. The beauty is that Coyote C pellet grills come with an intuitive digital touchscreen where you can set timers, select temperatures, and walk away knowing that your food is in good hands. When temperatures fluctuate, the Coyote C system knows it. So the dual lodger kicks into gear and automatically feeds wood pellets into the fire. In short, all the guesswork is taken out of the equation. There's a lot to admire here. To start, this grill Coyote offers heavy-duty 304 stainless steel construction. Because this Coyote C-Series grill is hand-welded, it has smooth edges and a sleek design. Yet, it's built like a tank. Number 5. Coyote 18-inch built-in 1300-watt electric grill. If you're an apartment or condo dweller and looking for a compact unit that circumvents many, emphasis on many, no-burn rules, check out the Coyote 18-inch 1300-watt built-in electric grill. Despite its compact footprint, this high-quality grill provides a 156 square-inch cooking area and a heck of a lot of cooking power, which is surprising, considering that this is an electric grilling machine. The entire system is powered by a 1300-watt heating element rated for 5,000 hours of continuous use. What's more, this unit soars up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's powerful enough to cook burgers, steaks, and more. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.